How to verify a new device for WeChat login. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're wondering on how you can verify, you can follow the steps and do that. So for that, you can open up your WeChat application first and you should be finding login and sign in on your screen. So the next step you can do is you can use this login option since you are adding it on new device. And all you need to do is tap on this country option and type your country code from where you belong. So for example, Gambia. After that, you need to enter up your phone number and accept and continue here. Once you do that, the next step you need to do is you need to enter your password of your account. Once you've entered your WeChat password on the new device, you can tap on Start Verification. So if you have access to your previous device, you can open WeChat and scan the QR code displayed on the new device. Or you can log in using your linked mobile number and enter the verification code via a SMS code. So you can do that. So you can also invite friends to assist with verification for now. For now, those 3 steps are something you can apply up in order to verify your new device for WeChat login. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.